Today we are going to discuss past continuous change of voice from active to passive voice. So first we will see affirmative sentence. Let us see its structure. Its structure is subject, helping verb, was or were, first form with ing and object. On the passive side it will change into object, helping verb was or were, continuous form of be is being, first form will change into third form by, and last subject. This side is for active voice and this side is for passive voice. So let us have some examples. First example is Shivansh was hitting the ball. Shivansh was hitting the ball. It will change into the ball. Ball is a singular noun. So here I am taking helping verb was. The ball was progressive form of be, being. Third form of hit is hit by Shivansh. Second example is science was creating many problems. Science was creating many problems. Many problems is a plural noun. So we are taking here helping verb were. Many problems were being. Third form is created by science. So in this way we can convert affirmative sentence of past continuous tense from active voice to passive voice. So next type of sentence is negative sentence in past continuous tense. So let us have its formation. First, its formation is subject, helping verb was or were, not for negative, first form ing, and object will come in the last. On the passive side it will change into object with helping verb was or were, not, progressive form of be, being, first form will change into third form by, and subject in the last. So let us have its examples. First example is he was not running a grocery shop. Grocery shop means किराने की दुकान. He was not running a grocery shop. A grocery shop, singular noun. So here we are taking helping verb was. A grocery shop was not being. Third form is of run, rain, run by. He will change into him. Second example is I was not keeping my appointments. I was not keeping my appointments. My appointments. My appointments is plural, so we are taking helping verb were. My appointments were not being. Third form of keep is keep, kept by me. I will turn into me. So this is the way to change active voice from passive voice for negative sentence of past continuous tense. Type of sentence is interrogative sentence of past continuous tense. So let us have its figure. First, its figure is helping verb was or were, subject first form with ing, object and sign of interrogation at the last. On this side it will change into helping verb was or were according to the object. Being first form will change into third form by and subject with sign of interrogation. So let us have its examples. Were you consulting him? Were you consulting him? So here my object is him. On this side it will change into he. He will take with it helping verb was. Was he being? Third form of consult is consulted by you. You will remain as it is. Sign of interrogation. Second example is was the child breaking the sticks? Was the child breaking the sticks? Sign of interrogation. So here my object is the sticks is plural in sense. So here I am taking helping verb were. Were the sticks being? Third form of break is break, broke, broken by the child. Sign of interrogation. So this is the way to change interrogative sentence of past continuous tense from active voice to passive voice. So next type of sentence is intronegative sentence of past continuous tense. So let us have first its structure. Helping verb was or were, subject not with first form of verb ing plus object sign of interrogation. On this side, passive side, it will change into helping verb was or were, object not being, third form of the verb by and subject sign of interrogation. Let us have some sentences of intronegative sentence. First example is was it not destroying the city? Was it not destroying the city? Here our object is the city. So the city will take with it helping verb was. Was the city not being? Third form of destroy is destroyed. Destroyed by it. There will be no change in it. It will remain it. Sign of interrogation. Second example is, were you not abusing her? Were you not abusing her? Sign of interrogation. So here my object is her. On this side it will change into subject she. She will take helping verb was. Was she not being abused by you? Sign of interrogation. So this is the way to change in interrogative sentence of past continuous tense from active voice into passive voice. So here are some sentences for practice. First is, was he not obeying the rules and regulations? Second, we were serving the poor and needy. Third, I was watching TV. Fourth, they were not asking difficult questions. Fifth, was the mother not cooking noodles? Sixth, she was mopping the floor. Seventh, Mohit was not playing the guitar. Eighth, were you not driving the car? Ninth, the lab technician was doing experiments. 10th, she was writing a novel. Try to solve all these active voice into passive voice. Till then, thank you very much.